How's it going, everyone? Squabbled here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix this Dolphin error where it'll show up and it'll say the graphics driver is forcibly enabling anti-aliasing for Dolphin. You need to turn this off in the graphics driver settings in order for Dolphin to work. MSAA with 2 samples found on default time buffer or something similar to this. So this is basically just means your graphics driver is trying to upscale the game, but Dolphin doesn't support that, so it's freaking out. So this method only works on Nvidia cards. It does not work on Intel or AMD cards. So that being said, go ahead and click on OK. Close out Dolphin here. Right click on the desktop, go to Nvidia control panel. It should load up pretty quickly. And on the left hand side, you're going to want to manage 3D settings. Okay, so now we're going to want to choose individual program settings. So for a program to customize, you're going to want to click this drop down and find Dolphin Emulator, dolphin.exe. So make sure show only programs found on this computer is also ticked. It should be by default, but that doesn't really matter. So now you're going to want to look for anti-aliasing -mode. So as you can see, it says use global setting, override any application, or something like that. It might say enhance or override or application controlled. You're going to want to set that to off. Now keep in mind this is only for Dolphin, so this won't affect any other programs on your computer. So even if you do somehow manage to mess something up, which, I mean, you can't really mess anything up in this menu, then it will be only limited to Dolphin. So go ahead and apply. Wait for these 2 buttons to go away. Close out of that. Open up Dolphin again. And now you should be able to see the game. So now we can go into the graphics and, you know, upscale. We can change the resolution. Everything should be working now. And the all your games should work fine. So hopefully this helped you. If it did, please leave a thumbs up. If it didn't, please leave a comment and I'll try to get back to you. And I'll try to help you. That being said, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, I guess. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.